Codes have been used by spies to send secret messages for thousands of years. And they've been used by you and your friends at school for quite a while too, haven't they? Well, in one form of code, you can actually hide a word in a sentence. Here's how you do it. Let's say I want to hide my name, Deane, D-E-A-N-E, in a sentence. I start by writing my name vertically and then think up a sentence in which that word is hidden. For example, let's think of a sentence that we might ask the zookeeper about the elephants, which we see ambling around the zoo. We could well say, do elephants amble neatly everywhere? I mean, there are a million other sentences you could make up as well, but this is one that I thought we could use. That's a question. Do elephants amble neatly everywhere? My name is hidden in that sentence. You might say, no, it isn't. I can see it clearly because the first letter of each word is a capital and it's in red. It's very obvious. Aha. But what you then do is to rewrite the sentence in this form, a normal sentence, and then it's nowhere near as obvious what the hidden word is. Only you and your friends who know they must focus in on the first letter of every word will be able to decode the sentence. That's called a null cipher. Null means nothing, cipher means code. It's a code in which most of the letters mean nothing at all. They're just there to hide the real ones. Actually, the Germans used null ciphers a lot during World War I. Here's an actual message that was found in which the Germans were trying to communicate something about one of the generals from the Allied forces. Now, the message seems to say, apparently neutral's protest is thoroughly discounted and ignored. Ismond hard hit. Blockade issue affects pretext for embargo on byproducts, ejecting suets and vegetable oil. But it doesn't mean that at all. The real message is hidden within those sentences. See if you can find it. No use looking at the first letter of every word. You'll need to look at one of the other letters in every word. Think about it. Well, I wonder if you worked it out. You need to zero in on the second letter in every word. Second letter of apparently is P. Second letter of neutral is E. Then comes R, S, H, I, N, G. And if you have a colour television set, you can see the hidden word in yellow now. The first word is Pershing. It's a message about General Pershing. What is it saying about the general? Well, let's look at all the other second letters. As you can see, it's S-A-I-L-S, Pershing sails, F-R-O-M, from N-Y. What does that mean? You guessed it, stands for New York. When does he sail from New York? J-U-N-E, June, and then an I. What number does that stand for? You're right, the 1st. So we know now that Pershing is going to sail from New York on June the 1st. That was the hidden message in a null cipher. One more for you to work out. Here it is. Simple sentence. Once again, it's something that we might say to the keeper at the zoo. Just use my pencil in naming great big elephants and nasty snakes. It's an easy one. You don't need to go any further than the first letter of every word. What does it say? You're pretty fast. You've got it already. It says J-U-M-P-I-N-G, jumping, B-E-A-N-S, jumping beans.